A careful look at the home inspection process. A home inspection is an investigative effort made by a professional to uncover certain defects in the home and make suggestions for repairs. In a real estate transaction, the potential buyer or the seller may pay for an inspection, or the costs can be shared equally at the closing of the sale. Home inspection includes inspecting items such as the exterior, the structure, roof, plumbing, electrical, heating, air conditioning, interior, and insulation and ventilation. Other items that are inspected at an additional cost include pool and spa, deck, and radon mitigation system. Anything that cannot be easily accessed and visually seen, such as the foundation or pipes under a home, is not inspected. In many states, a home inspector must have a license in the state where the home is located. If the home inspection finds a serious problem while the home is in escrow, this can stop the deal. To avoid such deal-disrupting surprises, it's usually a wise strategy for a seller to have the home pre-inspected before putting it on the market for sale. Some lenders may not agree to lend money to purchase a home unless it passes an inspection. If the home inspection is paid for by the seller in advance of putting the home on the market, then the seller is free to make any repairs on their own. If the home is in escrow, you may have offers that require any major repairs to be done by a licensed building contractor according to the current building codes. If there is a dispute about the contents of a home inspection report, the parties to the transaction may agree to order another home inspection using a different inspector to see how the two reports compare to each other. A potential buyer needs to have a reasonable attitude, especially when purchasing an older home, and not expect perfection. And as a seller, the only thing you want to avoid is a major defect being discovered as a surprise to everyone.